Now let us see some of the common elements in the periodic table. Now if you consider the hydrogen, so we have to specify the protons, the positively charged particles in the hydrogen element, hydrogen atom, electrons, neutrons. So generally they exist in the hydrogen atom. So we have to specify atomic number, atomic weight. Now if you consider hydrogen atom, which is indicated by H, you know already, so which contain one proton, so number of positively charged particles are 1, number of electrons are 1, that means number of negatively charged particles are 1. So it does not contain any neutral particles, neutrons are 0. So atomic number is 1. Since atomic number of protons are always same, so atomic number is 1. So atomic weight is Z plus N or P plus N. So number of protons are 1, neutrons are 0. 1 plus 0 means 1. Now for helium atom, if we consider, it is an even element. Proton, electron, neutrons are same. 2, 2, 2. Atomic number is 2. So atomic weight is 2 plus 2 means 4. For lithium element, if we consider, it is an odd element, it is a star element, highly reactive element, we know, because it contains unequal number of proton, electron, neutrons. So therefore atomic mass is 7. For the beryllium element, so it is an odd element, so which contain unequal number of proton, electron, neutrons. So atomic mass is 9. The fifth element boron, which contain 5, 5, 6, unequal number of proton, electron, neutrons. Therefore it is an odd element, highly reactive element. For the carbon, if we consider 6, 6, 6, proton, electron, neutrons are same, means it is an even element. So atomic weight is 12. So nitrogen is also an even element, so highly stable element, 777, atomic weight is 14 grams. So oxygen is also an even element, so 8, 8, 8, all are same, so atomic mass is 16. So the fluorine is a highly reactive element, it is an unstable element because proton, electron, neutrons are not equal, so atomic mass is 19 grams. So for neon, 10, 10, 10, atomic mass is 20, means it is an even element.